Nijang Karbi Anglong Votat Lang So Along Kedo Arnam Long 2 Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Along Uthot Higher Secondary First Year Atumaphan Kopai Kemepen Admission Kipipon 2 Arnam Long 2 Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Along Kedam Tanga Hotsetame Rizal Mesen Lapen Prexam Kapatua Sonamung Ansetame Longpon Air Sonsi Puthot Kido Adim Mate Boys Hostel Lapen Girls Hostel Facilities Setame Doponji Kido Ponji Ason Digital class, computer lab, library, science laboratory, sanitation and hygiene with portable drinking water, security and administration, CCTV surveillance across institute campus, sport and physical education, basketball court, table tennis, volleyball, outdoor fields, football and cricket field. Lapen Prexam Ason Avar Saisitame Longponji. Non Amad Labangso Arnam Long 2 Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Along subject Kapanongpon Lapson Henlo. Group A English Alternative English. Group B Education Economics Political Science. Group C Computer and Applications Fishery Science. Lasi kachali aning kehangatum prabjin pen kahumri ponji aphan tuning ripon iglo. Admission kipi pon arni lake nona matsetame pon igbomlo. Kijut arni lake jakhongpo ni phai pli mate July 4 2026 lasi prabjin pen kahumri dam aphan tuning ripon iglo.